Tunk, do you want to play? Rocco.
Take a picture of him.
Oh! Hey, no! 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 Oh, no! Oh, my goodness! Okay. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Uh-oh. Look at the cat. No, Randy's going to join her. Mom! Look, she's going to pull her in! Look at her! Oh my God, look at Brandy! Good job! I got a video!
The other wants to go outside. What did you do? What did you do? What did you do today? Huh?
An ouch in it. No. Oh, Gunner. Oh, buddy. No, don't do that. Do you want me to throw that toy? Off. Get off.
A squirrel with his head stuck in a yogurt. Can you imagine that?
You are? He's gonna whoop your ass, Ziggy.
I don't know how many cats there are. Look at that face. Oh my.
Take a picture, Jason.
I'm videoing it.
Yeah, right here, right here. Oh, he's up on the car. Oh, Lori. Oh my God! Oh my God! Yeah! William! Get! Go on. Get!
Oh no! I know. That's it. Now the cat.
Oh, good job.
One's over. Come on. He's taking pictures.
Huh? What are you doing? What is this? What is this? What happened to the shoe, Daisy? What is this? Daisy. Daisy. What is this? What happened to the shoe?
You can't move. I can't even move. He's flipping his back leg. You can't get him steady.
You are weird.
You know, if we went out and started playing with it, he'd probably be our pet.
Yeah, I don't think we probably should do that.
No.
Cookie, do you know anything about this? Do you know anything about that toilet paper? What do you mean you don't know anything about it?
You ready? Roll over. Roll over. Up. All right, you ready? 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 Roll over. I'll teach you. Roll over. Oh, cool. All right, you ready?
What you doing? What you doing with Kenny? What you doing with Kenny? Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's got your braid, Ginger. Oh, no. Well, that shampoo you're using really tastes good, I guess.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, 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 swimming. He falls in the pond thing, I will laugh. Oh! Get it, Thor! Get it! Get it! Get your toy! You can. It's like Pavlov's dog or something.
Would you like some delicious dog food? You sure? You don't like it? It's dog food. You sure? You want some dog food? Yeah? You want some dog food?
Oh my gosh.
Come on. Good boy. Hold on there. Hold on. There you go. How you doing? Did you make it? We'll see you later.
Is it blinking?
Dodge your bag. What do you want? What do you want? Huh? Do you want some dinner? Huh?
Yes, that's good, Ricky. Okay, give me some rope.
Because it's hilarious.
All right.
Hello?
Hello. Do the good one.
Hello.